Alright, this is the surgeon's knot. This is another good knot for attaching two separate lines together. For the video, this will be our main line. This will be the leader. When you do this knot, before you start, you want to have your leader pre-cut because the entire thing is going to have to pass through a loop that we're going to create. I'll show you here in a second, but on this end is going to be the line coming off of our reel. This will be the end of the main line. So just take your two lines, your leader and your main line, overlap them by several inches. Take them both and you're going to create a loop like so. Take your end of your leader and your main line both, pass them both through that loop once and twice. At this point you would wet your line and then you just pull tight. Trim your tag ends. And there you have it. Surgeon's knot.